Hey, in front of me is Nokia G60 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Nokia smartphone. First of all, you need to find Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Now select Alarm section at the bottom left corner and create your own by choosing this blue plus icon. After that, you need to set up an hour and save it by choosing OK. Then click on Add Label at the top and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then save it by choosing OK. Now you can click on this little icon next to Vibrate to switch off or on vibrations, and also click on the same one next to Google Assistant Routine to add it or remove it from it. Now click on days of the week that you wish to set up, in my case Mondays and Fridays, and finally tap on this bell icon. Now choose Dismiss in the pop-up and tap on one of those options. You can select YouTube Music, Spotify or Sounds. If you want to select sounds, you can click on one of those melodies, like for example Crypto, and go back. But you can also click on the same bell icon, but this time select Add New under your songs. Pick music from your smartphone by clicking on the top left corner, selecting one of those sources and tapping on the song that you wish to add, in my case this one, and clicking on the back button. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. In order to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Now if you want to delete it, select Delete option at the bottom left corner of it. You can even adjust more alarm settings by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner of it, clicking on Settings, and adjusting all of them under Alarms however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!